Hello kids. In the last two videos we learned about communication. Okay? Communication and mass communication, means of communication. So today we are going to revise the lesson. Let us revise. The early man communicated through sounds, signs, and gestures. Second, Samuel Morse revolutionized long distance communication with the electronic telegraph in 1840. Samuel Morse revolutionized long distance communication with the electronic telegraph in 1840. Verbal communication was made possible by telephone, an invention of Sir Alexander Graham Bell in 1876. Communication which reaches a very large numbers of people is called the mass communication. Television is the most effective means of mass communication. The internet is the most modern means of mass communication and consists of millions of computers from all around the world linked to one another by a network, telephone line and cable and satellite connections. Early man communicated through sounds and signs and gestures. Samuel Morse revolutionized long distance communication with the electric telegraph. Samuel Morse revolutionized long distance communication with the electric telegraph in 1840. Verbal communication was made possible by telephones, an invention of Sir Alexander Graham Bell in 1876. Communication which reaches large numbers of people is called the mass communication. Television is the most effective means of mass communication. The internet is the most modern means of mass communication and consists of millions of computers from all around the world linked to one another by a network of telephones, linked cables, telephone lines and cables and satellite connections. Understood kids? Now we'll solve the exercise. Fill in the blanks by selecting the correct options from those given in the bracket. Fill in the blanks by selecting the correct options from those given in the bracket. Samuel Morse revolutionized long distance communication with in 1840. Samuel Morse revolutionized long distance communication with in 1840. What is the answer? Electric telegraph. Underline this one. Radio not there, television not there, electric telegraph. Right here, electric telegraph. Okay. Now see B1. The internet is global network that connects laptops and mobiles. Internet connect radios, computers, TV towers, computers. Answer is computers. The internet is global network that connects computer right here, computer. That connect computers, laptops and mobiles. Now see, satellite relay TV signals and phone calls around the world. Research, communication or weather, Communication. Answer is communication. Communication satellite relay TV signals and phone calls around the world. Next, D. The dash dash machine is particularly helpful in places which do not have access of computers and internets. The dash dash machines is particularly helpful in places which do not have access of computers and internets. Fax. Answer is fax. The fax machine is particularly helpful in places which do not have access of computers and internets. Not the satellites, no telephones, only fax machines. Next one, the internet serves as a medium to send and receive messages through dash dash, through SMS, through email, through newspaper. The internet serves as a medium to send and receive messages through email. Right here, mails. Okay, so here fill in the blanks over. Now we'll see match the following. Question number 2, match the inventors in A column with invention in the B column. In A column what they are given? In A column inventors given, name of the inventors, and B column inventions given. Okay, first of all see, we'll read inventors names. Column, A column. A. Samuel Morse. Sir Alexander Graham Bell. C. Johannes Gutenberg. D. Marconi. E. John Baird. So, in B column, print media, television, radio, telephone, electric telegraph. Samuel Morse, what he was invented? Samuel Morse invented electric telegraph. So join Samuel to electric telegraph. B. Sir Alexander Graham Bell. Sir Alexander Graham Bell invented print media? No. Television? No. Radio? No. Telephone? Yes. So, Sir Alexander Graham Bell invented telephone. Join that one. C. Johannes Gutenberg invented print media? Yes. Join that one. Johannes Gutenberg to print media. Now D. Marconi invented televisions or radio? Marconi invented radio. Now last one remain. John Baird invented televisions. Understood, kids? Now we'll see last question, answer the following questions. Question A. How did people communicate with one another in olden times? I hope you have read the lesson. Otherwise, we are unable to solve the exercise. We are unable to answer the questions. I hope you all have read the lesson. Question A. How did people communicate with one another in olden times? Turn the page. Early man communicate through one another, sounds, signs and gestures. Otherwise, you read the lesson, read it. Early men communicate with one another through sounds, signs, gestures, and by drawing pictures. Understood now? Right. Now, question B. What role does the radio play in educating the rural populations in farming practices? Turn the page. Read the lesson. Pause the video. Read the lessons 2 minutes. What role does the radio play in educating the rural populations in farming practices? Answer is special programs are relayed in rural areas for the rural populations through a radio to inform farmers of the weather forecast, effective farming methods, practices, and how to market their farm products, and use services of government and non-government agencies. Understood, no kids? How radio play its in educating the rural populations in farming? It helps to inform the farmer weather forecast, effective farming methods, practice, and how to market their products, farm products, and use services of government and non-government agencies. Understood now? Now next turn the page. Question C. Discuss the importance of television in modern times. Televisions in modern times. Television is the most popular and widely used means of mass communication. Entertainment available at home. It has the advantages of both sight and sound, and therefore is the most effective means of communication. Television channel broadcast different kinds of programs, educational program, informative programs, entertaining all through the day. It also play an important role during the calamities or unexpected events that is the most watched during the live cricket matches, elections. In short, television brings a different happening in our homes within a short span of time. Understood now? Now next question D. What are communication satellite and how are they useful to us? What are communication satellites and how they are useful to us? The man-made satellites launched for various purposes orbiting the Earth are called communication satellites. The communication satellites are helpful to use in many ways. They relay news, weather forecast, entertainment programs. Communication satellites also relay TV signals, phone calls around the world. Research satellites take pictures for our planets, other planets, and the sun and the other objects. Weather satellite tell us about the weather and the different places on the earth. The pictures and informations gathered help scientists learn about the earth and the solar system and the universe. Okay? It is your D's question answer. Now remain last one. Try to find out what is the last question? Question E. What is internet? Pause the video 2 minutes. Find out answers. What is internet? Internet is a global network. Internet is global network that connects computers, laptops, mobiles. Internet is a global network that connects computer, laptops, mobiles. It serves services as a medium to send and receive messages through emails within a minute. Okay? Understood, my kids? Here our lesson revising and solve the exercise over. Today's your homework is, first of all you read the lesson and solve the exercise in textbook, then copy down, fill in the blanks, match the following, and along with question answers in your notebook. These all questions answers I'll give you in homework as a homework. Thank you for watching the video.